This brand is made in the USA by Enertech Global LLC and is only sold through their dealer network. All of the units feature aluminum microchannel air coils to eliminate corrosion and a composite antimicrobial drain pan to inhibit mold growth. They are very quiet due to their quadruple compressor isolation system and variable speed fan motors. They feature Copeland Ultratech compressors, appliance-grade cabinets and standard domestic hot water assist to lower the home's water heating costs. The standard warranty on the units is very good and can even be improved with the purchase of an optional 18-year extension on the coils and compressor. The ES5 YT models are ultimate heat pumps for upflow installation with a 31.1 EER efficiency and integrated Wi-Fi control through their Epic Connected Control and its associated My Uplink app. The control allows for energy usage monitoring from anywhere as well as water temperatures and faults in the system. The Ion VS/VT Premium models are more compact for upflow installation in tight spaces and has a 27.2 EER rating. The Ion ZS/ZT Premium heat pumps are compact horizontal units that are available with either single or two-stage compressors and a 29.8 EER efficiency. The premium ES4 CT models provide hot water for radiant floor heating systems as well as standard air heating and cooling. They have two-stage compressors with a 27.3 EER efficiency. The ES4 XT models are premium heat pumps with a 24.9 EER efficiency. The brand uses basic 1-inch filters, which is not as good at cleaning the air as many other brands, and they do not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy basic category for the price-conscious market. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.